Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix blank white desktop shortcut icons on Windows 11, and I will show you exactly as quick as possible how to fix this. Alright, first of all we need to open Run, so click here on search bar, type in Run and then do enter. Then from here search for app data, do OK, and then right here we need to click here on the three dots and then click on options. Then from here we need to click on View and then select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drivers, and then now do Apply and then OK. Right now we need to go to Local, go down, and here we have the icon cache and we need to click on this, right mouse and delete this. Alright, the next step is to open our Task Manager and we need to restart our File Manager. So right now we do Ctrl-Alt-Delete, Task Manager. Right now here it is, and then what I recommend to do is click here on name, so you have all apps on the correct way to search for the W. So if I tick now W, you see here everything with W, and then right now if we go down we have Windows Explorer just right here. If we now click on right mouse and click on restart, he will restart our file manager. And right now we just fixed those blank shortcuts on our desktop. Alright, if this video helps you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.